Welcome to Play Town, a fun place to learn, play, and explore together. Today, let's learn the names of different types of trains.
This is an intercity train.
An intercity train connects different cities across the country. People use it for comfortable and relaxing journeys between towns.
This is an oil train.
An oil train carries huge tanks filled with fuel and oil. These trains are very important for factories, cars, and industries everywhere.
This is a toy train.
A toy train is small, colorful, and full of fun. Children love pushing it along the tracks and imagining big train adventures.
This is a commuter train.
A commuter train carries people from the suburbs to the city and back. It's a quick and easy way for workers and students to travel every morning and evening.
This is a funicular train.
A funicular train goes up and down very steep hills using strong cables. It helps people reach mountain tops safely while enjoying the view.
This is a high-speed train.
A high-speed train moves at incredible speed between big cities. It saves time and gives passengers a smooth and exciting ride.
This is a subway train.
A subway train runs underground in big cities. It helps people avoid traffic and reach their school or work quickly and safely.
This is a metro train.
A metro train runs both underground and above the ground on tall bridges. It's clean, modern, and takes lots of people to their destinations every day.
This is a tram.
A tram runs along city streets together with cars and buses. It's small, colorful, and perfect for short trips around the town.
This is a steam train.
A steam train runs on steam and makes a loud, chugging sound as it moves on the tracks. Thick smoke comes out of its chimney while it goes choo-choo down the line.
This is a passenger train.
A passenger train carries people from one city to another. It's comfortable, fast, and one of the most popular ways to travel long distances.
This is a diesel train.
A diesel train runs on powerful diesel engines and can travel long distances. It's often used in areas where there are no electric lines.
This is a cargo train.
A cargo train carries heavy goods like coal, wood, and containers across the country. It helps deliver important things that people need every day.
This is a bullet train.
A bullet train is super fast and looks like a shiny rocket on tracks. People use it to reach faraway cities quickly and enjoy a smooth, quiet ride. Thanks for watching the video, friends. I hope you learned lots of new things. See you on the next adventure, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single video.